I'm in the mood for some delicious donuts, and what better person to make them for me than Theo. Theo, I'm excited about this flavour combo.
Oh, as you should be. Caramelised white chocolate and Hojicha. Do you know what Hojicha is?
I think it's in the green tea family, but actually I've never tried it before.
Yeah, it's a green tea that's been hard roasted, more than matcha, and I love it. So let's get into it.
Sure, yes.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our liquids to this bowl for our mixing.
So that's warm water?
Yeah, so you're going to heat up your water just a little bit because you want that heat to activate this yeast. Otherwise, we're going in cold. It's going to take a lot longer. We just want some heat to really get things moving. So we're using fresh yeast.
Yep. And you don't need to crumble it or anything like that?
No, that'll get broken up when you start mixing. That's fine.
Okay.
Then we're going to go with our flour over there. Juzzy, you can put that in.
So bread flour, ideally?
Yeah, you need something strong to really make these rise when you're going to fry them, because once they're in that fryer, you want a good pop. So bread flour works really well.
Great.
I'm going to go in with our salt, then our sugar.
One egg.
Then we also have some melted butter. In we go.
And is this like quite a sticky dough, or it's quite dry and firm?
It'll be sticky, so just be aware that you're going to have to work quick, but don't stress out if it's too sticky, because once it proves and it's going to go in the fridge, it'll be much easier to work with. You're going to want this to double in size, so it's going to be around an hour in a warm spot, but if it's colder, it's going to take a little bit longer, so just watch double in size and then we're good to go.
Nice one.
So while our dough is resting, we can get onto this beautiful Hojicha and caramelised white chocolate custard that's going to go in the donuts. So I'm going to start by heating up some milk.
And this is the Hojicha right here.
Yeah, smell that,
Smells
it's beautiful.
amazing.
Then we're going to go with our vanilla paste. In with that.
What have you done with the chocolate here?
All you're going to do is get your white chocolate, as you can see there, little buttons, and then you're going to put it in the oven for about an hour at a low heat, and it's going to develop this beautiful brown colour, a more caramelised texture and flavour. So what I'll get you to do now, Juzzy, is stop eating the chocolate and you're going to put some sugar and the corn flour into our egg yolks and give it a nice whisk to start mixing those together.
Okay, so it's about 9 egg yolks there.
You can add in the corn flour as well now. Yeah, go for it. You want it to be thick because we're going to be piping it into our Hojicha donuts. So you need something that's going to be stable. Starting to get to that boiling point. Now we're going to add it to our egg yolks. We're going to pour it in slowly. As we mix, keep whisking. Then leave about half of that mixture still in the pot. I'm going to come back over the heat and add this back in.
Gee, it smells fantastic,
Yeah, it
doesn't
smells good, doesn't it? There we go.
It's going to be quite stable, this custard, because of the amount of corn flour that we have added to it.
Yeah, that's right, and that's what you want. Juzzy, we're going to add in that caramelised white chocolate as well.
Bye-bye, beautiful chocolate. It's going to taste even better, though, in this custard.
Thank you. So now we're going to keep whisking this until it becomes really thick. You'll start to see it bubble up, and once it starts to bubble up, let it do that for 30 seconds, then take it off the heat, add your butter, mix it through, and then we're going to put it into the fridge to cool.
Okay.
So now we can see our dough has doubled in size. What you can do also is just give it a little poke, and you can see that it's staying there like that. If it bounces back, it's not ready.
Right.
So then we're going to take this dough out, divide it evenly. If you've got a kitchen scale, 50 grams per ball.
It's quite a firm dough, isn't it?
Yeah, because you've got that butter and the egg in it, it's kind of firm. So be aware of that when you're rolling. What I'll get you to do...
Yes, I'd love to help.
Get one of the balls.
Yep.
Flatten it. Bring the little arms in. Legs in.
Okay.
Then we're going to flip it over and give it a roll.
Ah, and that's how you get the perfect ball, is it?
Yeah,
Like
you
that?
want to get some tension on the top of the ball.
Do we need to prove these one more time?
Yeah, so there's a second proof now. Cover it, warm spot, come back in an hour and we're good to go.
Great.
All right, now the fun part, Justine, we're gonna start frying these donuts.
Okay.
This is crucial. We're gonna get them off this and straight into the oil. We're gonna start sizzling up. You can start working on that pastry cream again. What we're gonna do is we're gonna whip it again, get the egg beater, get it nice and silky smooth so we can pipe it into our donuts.
Because it's quite firm right now, so
Yeah.
it needs to become quite fluffy. All right, so give that a good whip. All right, Theo, you happy with that?
That looks great, Justine, beautiful. And if you don't have a piping bag at home, you can use like a sandwich bag and just put it in that and you can pipe it into your donuts.
I mean, this, look how lush that is. Fantastic. Could just drink that.
Go for it. Now, as you can see, these are probably the ones Justine made.
The big ones.
That is huge.
Oh, compared to your beautiful, delicate ones.
Yeah, look,
Got
you
all
can.
that.
Yeah, you can make them any size you want. We're going to take each donut
Yep.
and we're going to roll it in some caster sugar and we're going to fill them with our Hojicha and caramelised white chocolate pastry cream. Just grab a knife.
mouthful.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Grab a knife there, just give it a little poke in the end and then we're going to cut the tip off that bag and fill it to your heart's content.
Okay, so.
Not too much though, it's not going in one of those big ones.
Are you sure you trust me doing this?
Yeah, I don't know.
Especially when it comes to custard, I'm just.
Oh, really?
Okay, so we'll just open that up and fill it. Ooh, control. Enough. There we go.
Poke in here.
And feel there's a good amount of custard in
Yeah,
it.
you want a good amount.
I'm just going to place them in there.
I've gone in the side now.
Oh,
See?
okay.
You can fit more in.
All right. And really fill it. I think this is the perfect size. Mine are way too big. How good do they look? Theo, shall we have a taste?
Definitely. I want to know what you think of this beautiful caramelised white chocolate and Hojicha pastry cream. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
It's loaded.
It is loaded. There we go, my
Thank
friend.
you. Cheers.
Cheers. White chocolate and that hojicha is just sensational. Theo, thank God we've got 1, 2, 3 more.
Yeah, but not for long.
Not for long indeed. These are absolute perfection. Well, that's what I call a good donut.